What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and this video comes from your one and only Mashable.com. I'll leave a link in the description below just to get that right out the way. But I mean, this video is crazy, guys. You have this master Rubik's Cuber. Yeah, he goes by the name of Cubo, and this guy juggles 3 Rubik's Cubes and solves them at the same time. Now, that's epic, man. I'm mind blown right now. You guys check this video out.
Alright, you ready to go?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Okay, stop. Let's look at this again, okay? Because this guy, he's juggling the dang Rubik's Cubes, and he's solving them at the same time. One more time.
Alright, you ready to go?
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh, yes. Well done.
Okay, guys, that's pretty epic. Like I said before, this video comes from Mashable.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. You guys can check that out. I'll also leave a link to this YouTube video in the description as well. You guys have a nice day. Check you out.